Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today we are featuring the Supreme Duet See-Thru Zero Clearance Wood Fireplace. So I particularly like this model because there's not a whole lot of zero clearance see-through fireplaces on the market. This particular one does have a nice hot fire box. So you can get long lengths of wood inside the box and also get some pretty hot fires going. It does also have the option to grill something up inside the firebox, so watch out for those videos that'll be coming. Today we're going to talk about the different hot air distribution features that are offered on the particular Duet wood fireplace. So we have two different options. We have the hot air distribution system, which does require power to operate, and it allows you to push the heat off of the fireplace into another room, in a room at the back of the house, even downstairs in the basement, or even upstairs as well. Now the hot air gravity kit will also be featured as well. That does not take any electricity to operate, and it can be dispersed up to 10-foot vertical. Located on each side of the Supreme Duet fireplace are two different heat distribution options. So this lower 4-inch diameter one that we're looking at the side is for your hot air distribution kit. So the hot air distribution kit is going to be its own insulated heat duct system with a blower that will mount directly in the room of the wall or the ceiling where you're directing the heat to. So this would allow you to duct heat, let's say, downwards into a basement to heat a room. Located above is going to be your hot air gravity kit. So you will see the hot air gravity kit is a gravity fed installation. It does not require any electricity to operate, as does the hot air system. So basically you can mount the run up to 10 feet vertical and distribute the heat off the fireplace into that location. The Supreme Duet fireplace has two blowers that are located on each side of the fireplace. So you will notice here that in our metal studs we have accounted for having an access for the grill. So we are currently not framed in yet, but that's going to be our access point. So you do want to make sure that you account for this in your framing, because otherwise in the future, if your blower runs out, your blower motor, you will want to be able to access that. So you will notice that there are wires coming off of the blower. Please keep in mind that the blower is activated on a snap disc feature. So immediately when you start up your fireplace, the blower will not automatically kick on until your unit hits the required temperature of 250 degrees. I hope you found our video helpful today. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, click subscribe to our channel. Thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful day.